Hello kids, today's topic is reproduction in fungi. So in fungi, there's three types of reproduction: vegetative, asexual and sexual. In vegetative, there's three methods present: fragmentation, budding and fission. So first, fragmentation. In fragmentation, the hyphae break down in different fragment, and each fragment develop into a new mycelium. Okay, so a hyphae and these fragments can produce a new colony. In budding, you can see here a cell outgrowth develop on the surface of the cell, then nucleus move to the outgrowth and a bud is formed, and this bud detached from the cell and form a new cell. It's found in yeast. In fission, a mother cell divide into two. First, the nucleus divide into two nucleus, then the cell divide into two. That is known as fission. Asexual reproduction done by spores, conidia or sporangiospores or zoospores. Here you can see the conidia. These conidia form exogenously on conidiophore, and sporangiospores form endogenously in sporangium. Sexual reproduction. Adverse condition cause sexual reproduction. So for sexual reproduction, we need both male and female gametes. So mycelium can be both homothallic, where female and male sex organ present on same mycelium, and heterothallic, where female and male sex organ present on separate mycelium. So sexual reproduction takes place in three stages: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. So first two gametes, male and female, okay, they are haploid, okay, they fuse together and form a cell. So the fusion of plasma take place, which is known as plasmogamy. And in this, the nucleus remains separated. So this stage where both nucleus are free in this one cell, that is known as dikaryotic stage. And this cell is known as dikaryon. Dikaryon means di means two nucleus in one cell. And this stage can last up to 100 years, and when the conditions are suitable, the both nucleus will fuse together. So fusion of nucleus is known as karyogamy. So what we learn here, fusion of plasma, cytoplasm is known as plasmogamy, and fusion of nucleus is known as karyogamy. And then the cell go through the meiosis and form spores. So sexual spores are oospores, ascospores, basidiospores. Oospores form in female sex organ ogonium, which is round shaped cell. Okay, basidiospores form on basidium. Usually there is 4 basidiospore form on basidium. Ascospores form in this sac-like structure, which is known as ascus. There can be more or less than 8, but usually there are 8 ascospores present in each ascus. So see the fungi life cycle. First, asexual reproduction. So here mycelium go through the mitosis process and produce spores. And these spores germinate and give rise to a new fungi, new mycelium. Then sexual reproduction, there the two cells, okay, two gametes, they fuse together and form heterokaryotic stage. As I told you before, plasmogamy, the plasma fuse together of different mycelia, and then they form this heterokaryotic stage where two nucleus are free. Hetero means many, okay, two nucleus are free in cytoplasm. Then this nucleus combine, fuse together and form karyogamy, diploid stage. So the zygote is formed, which is diploid. And then this diploid zygote go through the meiosis, reduction division. Okay. Meiosis is a reduction division and form the haploid spores, and then this haploid spores germinate and give rise to a new mycelium. Okay, so in asexual reproduction, there is a single spores which germinate and give rise to a new mycelium. In asexual reproduction, there's two cells of mycelia combine together and go through the meiosis process and give birth to new spores and then new mycelium. Thank you.